Well, here we are, trying this thing for the first time. See how that goes. I don't know. Look up, look down, look to the side, look to the left. Works pretty good. Interesting. Well, all I gotta say is, not really much to say. Well, it's actually a lot to say, but I don't feel like saying it. And but this thing is pretty cool. That's all I gotta say for now. Maybe some other day I'll be inspired to say something else, but right now, got nothing else to say. But to look at me here, having nothing to say. Well, at least it works. It's pretty decent. So, if anybody else out there has nothing else to say, probably the same thing I'm doing right now. Have nothing to say. Pretty cool. But whenever I have something else to say, maybe I'll come in here and do it again. For now, all of you out there can go suck an onion because I got nothing else to say. So, cut. Is that the way it goes? Cut. Well, good night. Good rhythms. And may God bless America. There you go. I said something. Figure out how to stop this thing now. Okay. So